Imagine you're opening a new store in a bustling city. You wouldn't just open the doors without a sign, right? Keywords are like that sign for your online Shopify store. They tell customers and search engines what you're all about. In the vast digital marketplace, keywords help your target audience find you. When someone searches for products like yours, the right keywords ensure your store appears in the search results. Think of it this way. If you're selling handmade jewelry, keywords like handmade earrings, sterling silver necklace, or beaded bracelets will attract customers specifically looking for those items. Without the right keywords, your store risks getting lost in the crowd, making it harder for potential customers to discover your unique offerings. Keywords act as a bridge between your Shopify store and the people searching for what you offer. They are the essential elements that connect your products with potential buyers. Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to understand and organize the web. These algorithms are designed to sift through billions of web pages to find the most relevant information for any given search query. These algorithms rely heavily on keywords to determine the relevance of your website to a specific search query. The more accurately you use keywords, the better your chances of being found by search engines. When a potential customer types a keyword into the search bar, the engine scours the internet for websites that use those keywords effectively. It's like a digital treasure hunt where the prize is visibility and traffic. By incorporating relevant keywords into your website content, product descriptions, and even image tags, you're not just adding words, you're adding value. Each keyword is a signal to search engines that your store is a valuable resource for those specific search terms. You're signaling to search engines that your store is a valuable resource for those specific search terms. This involves a strategic approach where you analyze which keywords are most relevant to your products and how often they are searched. This, in turn, boosts your visibility and search results, driving more organic traffic to your store. The more traffic you get, the higher the chances of converting visitors into customers. It's a cycle that starts with the right keywords and ends with increased sales. The higher you rank, the more likely customers are to click on your link and discover your products. High rankings build trust and credibility, making customers more likely to choose your store over competitors. So, investing time in keyword research and optimization is not just about attracting search engines, it's about attracting customers and growing your business. Effective keyword strategy involves continuous research and adaptation. Trends change, and so do search behaviors. Regularly updating your keywords ensures that your store remains relevant and continues to attract traffic. Utilize tools like Google Analytics and SEO software to track the performance of your keywords. This data can provide insights into which keywords are driving traffic and which ones need adjustment. Remember, the ultimate goal is to create a seamless experience for your customers. When they find what they're looking for quickly and easily, they're more likely to leave positive reviews and become repeat buyers. In summary, attracting search engines and customers is a dynamic process that requires ongoing effort and strategic planning. By focusing on the right keywords and continuously optimizing your content, you can enhance your store's visibility, drive more traffic, and ultimately achieve greater success. Now that you understand the importance of keywords, the next step is finding the right tool to uncover them. Shopify keyword generators are your secret weapon in this endeavor. These powerful tools simplify the keyword research process, providing you with a goldmine of relevant terms to target. There are numerous keyword generators available, each with its strengths and features. Some popular options include Ubersuggest, Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. When choosing a keyword generator, consider factors like ease of use, pricing, and the depth of information provided. Experiment with different tools to find one that aligns with your budget and technical expertise. The right keyword generator will become your trusted companion throughout your Shopify journey. Section 4. Unlocking Success, a step-by-step guide to using keyword generators. In today's digital age, understanding how to effectively use keyword generators can be the key to unlocking your business's online potential. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to harness the power of keywords. Using a Shopify keyword generator is remarkably straightforward. These tools are designed to simplify the process of finding the right keywords for your online store, helping you to attract more traffic and ultimately drive more sales. Most tools follow a similar process, making it easy to get started. Regardless of the specific tool you choose, the fundamental steps remain consistent, ensuring that you can quickly adapt and begin optimizing your content. Step 1. Brainstorm seed keywords. This initial step is crucial as it lays the foundation for your keyword research. Gather your team and start by brainstorming a list of broad keywords that are relevant to your products or niche. Think about the terms your potential customers might use when searching for your offerings. Begin by brainstorming a list of broad keywords related to your products or niche. These seed keywords will serve as the starting point for your research, helping you to uncover more specific and targeted keywords later on. Step 2. Input your seed keywords. Once you have your list of seed keywords, the next step is to input them into the keyword generator tool. This is where the magic begins, as the tool will start to generate a list of related keywords based on your initial input. Enter these seed keywords into the keyword generator. The tool will then analyze these keywords and provide you with a comprehensive list of related terms that you can use to optimize your content. Step 3. Analyze the results. This step involves reviewing the list of generated keywords and the accompanying metrics. Pay close attention to search volume, competition, and keyword difficulty, as these factors will help you determine which keywords are worth targeting. The tool will generate a comprehensive list of related keywords, along with valuable metrics like search volume, competition, and keyword difficulty. These metrics are essential for understanding the potential impact of each keyword on your SEO strategy. Step 4. Refine your keyword list. With the list of generated keywords in hand, it's time to refine and narrow down your options. Focus on keywords that have a good balance of search volume and low competition, as these are more likely to drive traffic to your site. Sort through the generated keywords, focusing on those with a good balance of search volume and low competition. Use filters and sorting options within the tool to help you identify the most promising keywords for your content. Step 5. Group your keywords. The final step is to group similar keywords together to create targeted content clusters. This approach helps you to organize your content more effectively and ensures that your website is optimized for a range of related search terms. Group similar keywords together to create targeted content clusters for your website. By doing so, you can create comprehensive and cohesive content that addresses multiple related search queries, improving your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. Section 5. Optimizing your Shopify content. Putting keywords to work. In this section, we will delve into the practical steps you can take to ensure your Shopify store is optimized for search engines using the power of keywords. Once armed with your list of target keywords, it's time to optimize your Shopify content. This involves strategically placing these keywords in various parts of your website to enhance visibility and attract the right audience. Product descriptions. Craft compelling and informative product descriptions that naturally incorporate your chosen keywords. These descriptions should not only highlight the features and benefits of your products, but also seamlessly integrate keywords to improve search engine ranking. Avoid keyword stuffing, which can harm your search ranking. Keyword stuffing refers to the practice of overloading a web page with keywords in an attempt to manipulate a site's ranking in Google search results. This can lead to a poor user experience and may result in penalties from search engines. Website content. Create high-quality blog posts, articles, and landing pages that provide valuable information related to your keywords. This content should be engaging, informative, and relevant to your audience, helping to establish your store as an authority in your niche. Image alt text. Optimize your image alt text with relevant keywords to improve image search visibility. Alt text is a brief description of an image that helps search engines understand what the image is about, which can enhance your site's SEO. Meta descriptions. Write concise and engaging meta descriptions that include your target keywords to entice users to click through from search results. Meta descriptions are the snippets of text that appear under your page title in search engine results, and they play a crucial role in attracting clicks. By strategically integrating keywords throughout your Shopify store, you'll create a seamless and user-friendly experience that also resonates with search engines. This means placing keywords in product titles, descriptions, blog posts, image alt texts, and meta descriptions. The goal is to make your content as relevant and useful as possible to both users and search engines. This approach not only helps in improving your search engine rankings, but also ensures that your customers have a positive experience on your site, which can lead to higher conversion rates and increased sales. Remember, the key to successful keyword optimization is balance and relevance. Section 6. Beyond the basics, advanced keyword research strategies. As you become more comfortable with keyword research, consider exploring more advanced techniques to gain a competitive edge. Competitor analysis. Analyze the keywords your competitors are ranking for to identify potential opportunities. Long-tail keywords. Target longer, more specific keyword phrases that attract highly qualified traffic. Local SEO. If you have a physical store or target a specific geographic area, optimize your website for local search terms. By continually refining your keyword strategy, you'll stay ahead of the curve and attract a steady stream of targeted traffic to your Shopify store.